The last feature I want to go over is the ability to now clone custom forms after you build them to any other project that you have access to in the system. So here I am in this Broad Avenue project. I can go to the More button to look at all the different the forms that I have on my project, application for payment, contracts, whatever I have here. But in a previous video, we actually created a brand new custom form called the condition assessment and added some pretty cool fields on there. And it would be a pain to have to recreate all those forms every time I start a new project. So all I have to do now is clone that custom form over to this new project. So again, I'm in this Broad Avenue project, which doesn't have the condition assessment, but I do have that condition assessment form built already in this Atlas Tower Crest project. So if I click on form types, I can see the condition assessment form here. I'll say configure. I have all my fields here, and maybe I even want to add another field, which is going to be maybe a rich text box, and I'll just say notes. Rich text is going to allow me to enter bullet type lists in my text box there. I can make things bold or italic, stuff like that. So I have these three or four fields: a subject, a date, this cascading pick list, which is kind of a more complicated field type, this assessment, and the notes. I can reorder those if I want to. Maybe I want to put notes above the date or the assessment field, which I could do that, but for now I'm going to leave it go. And I want to, again, clone this condition assessment form type to that other project, the Broad Avenue project. So I'm going to click ... click clone to another project. Once I click that, I get a modal of all the other projects that I have access to. I could say multiple projects if I want to clone this to everything that I've got, but for now I'm just going to say Broad Avenue, clone the project. I get a little notification that says the form type has been successfully cloned. If I were to go over to that Broad Avenue project now, check out my form types, I have that brand new condition assessment form where I could go in there and start creating new ones. I didn't have to rebuild every form for every project. I just create it once and then clone it everywhere else. If you have any questions about cloning custom forms, building custom forms, or adding custom fields to forms, or really anything else within ProjectTeam.com, please give us a call at 703-961-1007. Thanks.